So I'm out here hanging out with my doggy. Hey Kobe, say hi. Hello. So yeah. Oh, oh, you had some boogies. So today I just got this new microphone, this Deity D3. Kind of looks like this, but not as pretty. But I just want to make a video going through my day. I have some product work to do for the company I work for, Red Owl, and I just want to take you guys along. Unfortunately, I can't bring my doggies, even though they would have a really good time at work. But yeah, if you guys would just want to come by, hang out, drink a beer, smoke a cigarette, we'll have a good time together. So let's go ahead and boogie on out of here. Hey guys, so I'm headed over to my boss's house right now to pick up some hats and some other stuff to take pictures of. I work for a coffee company in their marketing department. Basically my main job within the company is to take very compelling pictures that makes them money, because people are like, oh, that drink looks very good, let me buy that. And then I'm like, ma'am, it's just a cup of spaghetti. Hold your horses. Is this a big man truck? Is this a big man's truck? We got a big man's truck right here. Bradley, do you got a big man's truck? Hold on. Am I about to have to do big man truck B-roll with the big man truck? Hey, what up? That's a big man truck.
Deity. It looks sick.
Yeah.
Damn, it's got a straight up cage holding it on. Wow.
Yeah, crazy.
Cool. Are you testing it out outside?
Yeah, a little bit on the way here, and currently I'm filming you.
Oh yeah? Wow. When I was younger, I was told that packing a dip on the top is wrong, and packing it this way is much more effective.
Who told you that?
Rednecks.
Did you dip back then?
No.
Well, I'm so glad you got that knowledge.
It's just one of those high school things. It's so useful just in case I ever need to pack my dip.
Is there dip in there?
Yeah.
Oh, then probably don't open it.
It sounds dry.
Yeah, it needs more pack. Oh, dude, that shit's packed.
So packed. Oh my god.
I've never seen something that packed.
Smells.
Hey man, is that grizzly? Give me a pinch.
What's that?
Oh, dude, that smells so bad. People put that in their mouth and get cancer. That's awful for them. Alright, I'm out of here.
Alright, dude. Have a good day.
You guys are gonna go in here. So the weather has changed just a little bit since I was over at Will's house. You can see it's coming down a little bit, which is going to be fun to bring all these boxes of hats in. This is what I'm looking at. Alright, finally getting around to taking this picture. It is humid out here, holy shit. Wow. So I better take pictures of this hat right here. Alright, come on, focus. There we go. Of this hat. I'm just walking around where the office is, and it is so muggy out here. This is just crazy. So I'm just trying to find a good place to take this picture. Kind of like this. This little red with the black hat. I think it would look really good. Yeah, let me grab a brand new hat, because I already got this one pretty dirty, which is crazy because I've only been wearing it for about 10 minutes. South Georgia, what are you doing to my camera gear? But this is an old trick that I love to do. It makes it look like the product itself is just sitting down straight when you shoot at an angle like this. And I love the lines of this piece of metal right here. So I'm shooting it directly up like this. So then it looks like it's just sitting down on a flat surface, and then this is coming out of the, it would make it look like it's coming out of the wall. And this is a good test for this microphone because it's really loud over here. But yeah, let's get to shooting. So back in the office, looking over the image that I ended up taking, it looks exactly like this because this is the image. And I'm pretty proud of it. It looks awesome. I love the colors and the tones that you can get whenever it's just right after a rainstorm. I think it looks incredible. I updated our merch store on the website, so it's looking poppin'. I can just say that. It looks sexual, and it doesn't look sexual at all. It just looks good. I really like the merch line that Brad and the rest of the team have worked out. This hat looks funny when it's this zoomed out. But I just love the merch line and what it looks like, and just all the products are great. The store is on our website, so if you want to pick anything up, go and hit that, and I will ship it directly to your house. But if you don't like shipping, you can just meet me in the street. I'll have it ready for you, or you can just take the hat directly off my head. Even though this hat be looking good on me. So thank you guys for watching. I know this isn't a very interesting episode. I just wanted to get back to what I love in filming, my day-to-day life. And now since I got this new microphone, I feel very inspired. So this won't be the last time you see me. Oh, this picture looks so good. I am so awesome. But yeah, I'm signing off. I guess I'll catch you guys soon. So as they say in the rodeo, peace.